In these busy times, it is increasingly important to adopt a more organized and structured approach to our daily activities and plans to create a less stressful and more conducive way of life. This is especially crucial when it comes to understanding and tracking our past, present, and future health conditions. In fact, according to a respected online healthcare researcher, HealthIT.gov, only 1 in 3 individuals track their health conditions and fees using a computer, smartphone, or other electronic means in the past 12 months. Today, an innovative new app will assist you in keeping an easily accessible record of your healthcare and more. Introducing the MyJournalMed MJM app. The innovative MyJournalMed app understands that creating a personal medical journal is essential for effectively managing your health and well-being. By documenting your medical history, symptoms, treatments, and lifestyle patterns, you gain valuable insights into your health trends and can identify potential triggers for illnesses and patterns. The MyJournalMed app allows you to share accurate and detailed information with healthcare providers, leading to more informed and timely diagnoses and treatments. Additionally, having this information readily available can be crucial in emergencies and can aid loved ones in understanding and supporting your health needs. MyJournalMed is easy to use. Simply create your customer profile page by listing your name, gender, blood type, date of birth, and insurance group number, policy, or carrier, which is optional. You will then be led to the MJM questionnaire, which asks questions such as, do you have any allergies, types of medications, dosages, subscribing doctors, and more. In the next section, you list and detail your medical history and medical procedures. MJM also provides you with a calendar screen where you can color code appointments and receive alerts on scheduled appointments. You can click on the date and inscribe notes from the doctor's visit. MyJournalMed is the creation of seasoned, longtime health insurance professional Maria Petra Morrow, who states, I believe that there is a pattern in your healthcare, and MJM is where you can document it, keep track, and hopefully live a healthier life. The MyJournalMed app empowers you to take control of your health and facilitates better communication with those involved in your care. Download it on iOS or Android for your free trial period today.